Hi everyone. This book is for children who love construction vehicles and who love to see them in action. And this book has at least 10 to 15 construction vehicles, and the kids enjoy naming them on every page. So, this is Jackpot. This is called Construction Site Road Crew Coming Through by Sherry Dusky Rinker. This is how the illustrations look, and these illustrations are really good, close to realistic, I would say. I mean, in the animation world of these construction vehicles, they're not extremely cartoony, and they're a little you know closer to how these actual construction vehicles would have their parts placed. For example, a road roller or a steam roller has smoke coming out from here, for example. So many books won't have at least this much of realism in it. This is a great book for that. And this book is about building a road, so which means all types of construction vehicles are used, starting from, let's say, a bulldozer coming in and pushing the mud, creating a path, till so many vehicles come in and do their part, and finally a striper comes in and creates stripes on the road. So it's all covered, and this is like one compilation of all construction vehicles together. So this is the absolute favorite book for kids who already know all the construction vehicles, but then there are one or two which are new, which could be introduced to them as new, and they get excited about it. Each page has a story about how each construction vehicle would work. This is a tanker, water tanker coming in and clearing off all the dust so that with water the mud settles down. So like that, each page has its own purpose of the construction vehicle. This is a great book. I think it would be good for anybody who's from 2 years old to up to, I don't know, 7, 8 years old. Go for it.